Hey, what's up, Peters R, guys? It's your favorite Marvel trio here, YKSD Goblicast, Granny.
Yui!
And we are the Marvel Slumber Squadiders. Yes, sir. All right. Before anything else, happy New Year to everyone right there. I hope you guys enjoyed your 2025. Grabe, the time flies so fast, no? Tapos na agad ang 2025 and can't wait
Grabe.
can't wait.
Ang first movie natin this year was Captain America.
Oh, Brave New World. That
February
was
yun.
February. What was your favorite Marvel project this year, 2025? Let's start with Chiwi.
Including,
Movies
ano ba?
and series.
Yes, everything.
Friendly Neighborhood
Friendly
Spider-Man.
Neighborhood Spider.
This year ba yun?
Animated.
Oh,
Huh?
lahat yan. Ito
Oh
lang.
my God.
Basta lahat ng
Lahat ng react
lahat ng
natin
reactions.
is 2025 yun. Oh my, wow.
Wow.
Okay, honestly, same.
Friendly
Same sa akin, Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Man. Honestly, mas gusto ko yung mga series na pinanood natin kaysa sa movies.
True.
Daredevil.
I would go for Daredevil. Or
Honestly,
like,
Ironheart, I loved our journey with
Ironheart.
Ironheart. Marvel Zombies, I loved our journey there.
Madami naman magandang projects ang Marvel eh. But if I were to pick one, I'd go with Daredevil Born Again. I think that was the best. Marami naman sila magandang projects. And I hope ganun pa rin for 2026. We have a lot in store for 2026. Of course, we've got Wonder Man would be for Marvel's first project na react natin. It will give us something new, fresh, na ikaka-excite pa natin sa MCU. We also have Spider-Man Brand New Day next year. Daredevil Born Again Season 2, Punisher, and a lot more. And lastly, of course, we have Doomsday, which, speaking of Doomsday, they again released a trailer today before 2025 ends, no? Same as nung Christmas, they released their first teaser trailer. Now they released before 2025 ends. I don't know if this is an official trailer or what, but I am so excited to see what they have in this trailer. I don't know, ito nandito na ba yung sinasabi ko last time na magpapakita sila ng something? A lot? Oh my god, I'm so excited. Holy crackers. Oh my gosh, please give us something, bruh.
Ako, I don't think so. I think it's gonna be as the same as the first teaser trailer. It's gonna be short. I'm not sure if they're gonna be showing a new character. Probably not.
How about you, Chiwi?
Setting my expectations lower.
compared sa last time.
Agree. Yun. So, without further ado, in 3, 2, 1, let's dive in, people. Let's go! Happy New Year!
Father, all my life, I have answered every call.
Thor, bro. Father. Thor.
Duty to war.
Oh my gosh, it's Thor, bro.
But now fate has given me something I never sought.
Is that yung daughter niya?
Ba't
Ba't sila lahat may anak?
oh, yung daughter niya.
Child,
Ay, hindi. I mean, it's not.
a life
His
untouched
daughter.
by the storm.
Oh, no, it's Gore's daughter.
Lends me the strength of the old fathers,
Okay.
so that I may fight once more, defeat one more enemy, and return home to her.
Oh.
Oh, he's gonna die. Oh, he's gonna die. For sure.
To teach her not battle, but stillness. The kind I never knew. Please, Father, heed my words.
No!
What? Come on,
Oh
man.
my god.
Come on, man.
These trailers.
Come on, bro.
Ay, nako. Oh my gosh, it's kind of pissing me off, yo.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my god. Come on, Marvel! It is pissing me off. Again, they're giving us this bitin teaser trailers. But what excites me the most is seeing every single OG Avengers have their own trailer. Malalaman natin sinong babalik. And ang pinaka na-excite ako na makita would be Clint Barton, Hawkeye.
Okay, so
Yun yung masasabi ko, Clint Barton, Hawkeye.
if they
Please.
show us a teaser of him,
I just want to see Hawkeye, bro. I miss Hawkeye.
I don't know about this. Sobrang teaser niya. Like, I don't know. So far kasi, it's given. Come on. It's kinda given they're coming back. Kasi, it has been MCU's formula, cameos. So, it's kinda given babalik sila. So, I don't get their marketing plan for this. I don't know. I don't know what to feel. If there's anything na happy ako, it's seeing yung daughter ni Gore. Maybe she's gonna come back din, no? Hindi siya pinabayaan.
But
Yung
no,
plot
but
na yun.
the thing is, what's funny is sabi niya ni Thor, give me all the God's strength for me to get back home to my daughter.
Mali
So
ako.
I feel like iniwan niya lang yung anak niya din. Hindi magiging part ng plot si baby. I don't know.
Ay.
I don't know.
Ikaw, Chiwi, what
I
did you
think-
feel about this trailer?
I'm noticing like a pattern.
They're
What's that about?
becoming
Oh, fathers.
parents.
Oo, yeah.
Like,
Fantastic Four has a kid. Captain America has a kid. Thor has a kid. So I guess there's something.
there, like...
Oh, sa bagay.
May theme.
Hulk has a freaking kid, bro.
Ay, oo nga.
Scar.
Yeah!
Clint has a
Yeah.
family. Most likely, if we're gonna see a Hawkeye trailer, kasama si Kate Bishop dun. Kaya I'm really excited what Marvel would show Hawkeye's trailer. I'd be so disappointed if they won't release anything though.
I don't know, come on, like, sobrang feel ko yung messiness ng ano, kasi instead of them making trailers showing the new characters, they built all this multiverse,
They're again going back to
face. They're just relying on the OGs, like, ay, nako, I don't know.
Pero yeah, I mean,
For
I
me,
get it.
sige, give it. Sorry, sobrang frustrated ko ata. Pero for me, it's a given. They're coming back. Siguro, Marvel felt na it's not wise to make a trailer out of the
Oh, no.
new characters
Yeah,
they
for
built.
sure. Kasi,
I mean, it's their fault kasi all this multiversal phase, wala rin talaga silang nagawang magandang build up sa mga bagong characters. So, I guess this is the best they can do for now.
Yeah, I get what you mean. But it's most likely part ng marketing strategy nila to just keep pushing the characters that people know the most.
yeah,
Parang,
for sure.
babalik si ganito, babalik si ganyan.
It's kind of exciting pa rin to see kasi yung last na nakita ko from Thor was,
For Love and Thunder.
Yeah.
Tama ba?
Mm-mm.
And
in my opinion, he wasn't as serious.
there, compared
Okay.
to...
Yeah, that's
that's
true.
true.
That's true.
He's giving this different energy, like some sort of desperation. Parang magkakaroon pa ng change, like character change sa kanya. May growth pa siya na mararating. So, it's interesting to see bakit siya naggaganon, like anong mangyayari. Ba't siya aabot doon?
Mm-mm.
Pero gets ko yung
That
parang,
makes sense.
paano yung...
New characters, saan sila mag-fit in dun sa whole thing. Like, ano na ba mangyayari? But I understand.
Tama ka doon, like, hindi ko alam paano nila ipapasok yung new characters. Is this movie gonna be about the OGs? Gonna be the new ones? Or is it passing it on again? Di ba? Parang ang labo eh. Siguro kasi sabi nila, mamamarket lang natin yung mga loyal. Siyempre gusto natin mamarket sa yung mga dati. So far yung mga masa, ang kilala lang sa nangyayari sa MCU ngayon, yung mga OGs pa rin. Kasi wala na talaga sumabaybay sa multiversal phase. So maybe it's possible na hindi to about the new characters. Mas magka-cameo yung new characters, honestly, feel ko eh.
I
Yun.
feel like nga rin.
Yun, or it's gonna be a passing on. Etong movie na to, Doomsday, it's gonna be passing on to the new characters na dapat ginawa nila ng Alam mo bakit?
Oo.
Kasi
May Secret Wars pa,
kasi may
bro.
Secret Wars.
Oo,
So
sa Secret Wars
Doomsday,
sila mag-aano.
yun eh, feel ko talaga sa Doomsday.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Dito nila technically i-introduce ulit. I-reintroduce nila ulit yung mga bagong
Reintroduce
characters.
at the same time, dito sila magko-connect yung mga the new characters they introduced these past years sa
Yeah.
Multiverse Saga. And then by Secret Wars, yun yung goal ng Doomsday. Dapat in love na yung people. The ones,
Sa
most
new
especially the
characters.
ones who weren't following the MCU during the Multiversal Saga, yung mga movies or specifically the series, mga hindi nanood nun. Dapat by Secret Wars, in love na sila sa characters na yun.
Mm.
I think it's also a good farewell to the original cast na bigyan sila ng maayos na ending.
Okay.
More so than yung
That
mga before pa.
I feel like if unsatisfied pa yung fans sa ending ng original cast na parang, oh, I feel like I want them more. Hindi nila mawa-welcome yung new characters as much kasi parang, mas okay pa din yung original. Which is, I think, nangyari kay Captain America, the new one, na hindi siya,
Minahal ng lahat
Well
kasi
received,
parang,
oo.
what?
yun na yun, parang ganun. Baka yun, I don't know.
Yun, so, dun ko rin na-confirm na sobrang messy talaga. Kasi, technically, na-establish nila na nag-farewell sila dito sa Multiverse Saga. Maraming series doon na parang established na farewell na
Pero
nila
then
to.
again, kasi hindi naman lahat ng tao nanonood ng series eh. Kaya nga, nung lumabas yung Brave New World, maraming audience na parang, "Uy, bakit siya na yung Captain America?
Mm.
Oh, hindi ko trip si Sam Wilson." Kasi they
Hindi
didn't
naman-
really watch Falcon and the Winter Soldier
Oo.
para ma-in love ka dun sa
Mm.
character na yun eh. That's the problem.
So, oh my gosh. So, most likely, ganun na naman. Ganun yung movie na to, yung Doomsday. It's passing it on. Farewell sa mga OG ulit. Reintroducing the Multiverse Saga characters.
Yeah, honestly, that's what we got from this second trailer. That's exactly what we got from this second trailer.
Is it the best marketing
Year-ender.
strategy? Marketing. Oh, actually, year-ender trailer
Bro,
nila
that
to.
is weird kasi this is the year-ender na trailer. Bakit si Thor? Diba? I was hoping at least sana this whole December ginawa na nila yan. Thor, Captain America, Hawkeye, whoever, mga OGs gusto nilang bigyan ng trailers na to. At least maybe before Christmas, they gave us a teaser trailer, yung official teaser trailer na makikita natin by Doomsday. Pagdating ng end of 2025, bro, this is like the best hyped trailer for Doomsday. It may be a teaser pa rin pero mas may nakikita tayong something, gets? Pero bro, we're ending 2025 with this? I don't know.
Mas naguguluhan ako the more nun may nilalabas sila kasi hindi ko nakikita pa paano magko-connect. Pero ganun naman sila usually eh. Hindi mo talaga makikita until it's out. Pero I have so many questions kasi sino pa yung ibang ilalabas nila? Ang daming characters na parang
May itatanong ka pa, Alex. Sila Doctor Strange. Lilitaw pa ba sila?
Oo nga, no.
Sila
Yun pa pala.
Agatha.
sila Loki, is he malalaman ba nila ano nangyari sa kanya? Yung ganun.
You know what's funny? The trailer was about Thor, but we were already we didn't even tackle Thor that much. We were talking about the whole Doomsday na, no? Pero with this experience, watching it the second time na ganito yung trick na ginagawa nila for their trailers and maybe the coming trailers, I don't know if it would be frustrating sa akin kung ituloy-tuloy nila yung ganito. Are they, like what you mentioned, Chiwi, are they gonna tackle every single character na puro ganito, 1 minute na bitten trailer? You know what? I feel like these trailers fit like a post-credit scene in a movie. Parang ganun yung nangyayari.
Oh yeah, oo nga no. Para
Oh,
siyang
yeah.
Bagay siya to be a post-credit scene. Pero kung gagawin nilang every week,
Parang once a week sila
once a week
nagagawin.
na puro ganito, parang nakakaumay siya honestly. Parang, come on, just show us something, bro.
Honestly, kanina na feel ko parang nothing new to me talaga kasi hindi lang naman siguro sa akin to for everyone eh. Alam naman natin babalik yung mga yan, for sure.
But yeah, that is for avid fans like us. But like for those who are not really an MCU, magiging effective sa kanila yon. May aabangan sila. Yun lang yung problem. Oh. Gets mo? May aabangan yung mga hindi talaga nanonood. Parang, sinabi ni the leader, may mangyayari pa. Okay.
Really? So, yun yung
Si
target
Doom
audience
nandyan.
nila.
Okay.
Okay, okay, sige. Kasi nga yung Comic
It
Con.
is frustrating for us who are fans of the
Oo.
MCU kasi we already know these information. Pero to those who are not,
I think nga
so
parang
look at it into
ang weird nung strategy nila na yun kasi sino ba talaga yung target audience nila nawala na nga nila yung mga masa before eh. Tapos ngayong mga
masa.
fans, mga legit MCU fans, pati tayo na-frustrate na tayo.
Napufrustrate na ako. So, hindi ako usually na-frustrate for MCU pero with these stats,
Actually,
parang, okay.
To be,
Kinda waste my
to be
time.
honest,
Kinda
medyo burnout ako nito kasi I've been waiting for their trailer, tapos late nila pinakita, tapos
ganyan
ganyan
pa.
lang.
Sorry, wag naman natin ilang, pero bitten. Like,
Yeah.
I just want something
A bit
more
more A bit
enticing.
more, oo. Ikaw, Chiwi, ano ka? You're someone who's not updated much in the internet regarding the MCU, di ba?
Oh,
So,
yeah.
ikaw, so what do you feel about it?
Hindi ko masyadong kabisado sino yung lilitaw sa Doomsday. So, it's still surprising to me na parang, oh, okay, babalik sila Thor, babalik sila Captain America. Pero, nafe-feel ko yung, babalik sila yung OG. Pero, hindi ba to pwedeng i-fit into one
Trailer lang na mas
Exactly.
mahaba and then
Oh,
they
that's
add
true.
more.
information? Kasi, yung nung sinabi nyo na para siyang post-credit scene, parang, oo nga, feeling ko, dapat met siya na post-credit, tas hindi na lang nila nilagay sa ibang mga nilabas nila. So, ginawa na lang nila na ganito muna. Parang ganun tuloy yung na-feel ko. Yung kay Captain America, gulat ako kasi akala ko tapos na yung story niya eh.
Pero
Yeah,
itong
pwede
kay
pa.
Thor, parang, oo. Parang sana hinahabaan nila each time na may ilalabas.
Hindi kasi siya parang parang, okay, mag-aantay na naman tayo ng 1 minute na short, hulaan na lang natin sinong original Avenger yung papakita. Parang ganun na yung next na trailer na aabang. Pero, it's still, like, I'm keeping my hopes up. Kasi, again, I don't know enough about it. Actually, hindi ko din alam anong mangyayari eh. Meron lang akong hints here and there, pero hindi ko siya ma-piece together as much as you guys siguro.
Ako din naman, excited pa rin naman ako sa movie. It's just really their marketing strategy dito.
The
Parang,
marketing.
parang hindi ako na-enganyo eh. Pero syempre, papanoorin ko yan regardless eh,
Of
di ba?
course. I'm still excited
Yeah.
regardless.
Mm.
Yeah, MCU is still love. That's a lot of violent reactions though. Pero for Thor itself, sige, since we did get Thor here, any thoughts for Thor? Like,
I think he's
are you
gonna
excited
die.
for this character? You think he's gonna die?
I think he's gonna die this movie.
Yeah.
No, I don't want Thor to die. But I like his vibe. Parang,
Yeah.
Ay, oo.
I like
bumalik siya dun sa
Endgame.
unang version ng Thor
Unang version,
na
oo.
parang serious. Kasi
Yeah,
naging
yeah.
comedic siya after a while eh. Ito,
Yeah.
bumalik na siya sa, oh my God, nafe-feel ko sa kanya yung,
Mas ine-embrace na niya yung character na parang, I'm a god, I have power.
Para maging may spice yung trailer. Sana nagpakita si Hercules, bro.
Ay, oo.
If at least si Hercules nagpakita and si Odin, right? Pero man, they just showed the same.
Will there be a Thor 5 movie before Doomsday?
Actually, I have I don't even know.
Kasi si Hercules, wala. Inano nila rin. Tinapon na.
Tinapon na ba nila yon? That is so
Baka.
dumb.
Baka
That is
itapon
so
na nila.
dumb.
Hindi dapat magka-movie sila before. Kasi ang weird naman nag-Doomsday, tas Hercules.
Hindi, baka nga dito magpakita si Hercules sa Doomsday.
Oh my gosh, sobrang weird nun. Sobrang gulo nun, honestly. Ang
si
labo nun.
Doomsday na nga, lahat na ng kalaban nila lalabas.
lahat ng mga inano nila,
Kinameo nila.
lahat ng
Yung
mga post-credit
post-credit
scenes nila,
scene.
dito nila isa-solve. What the Hindi
Mga
kaya.
10-second fight lang with Thor and Hercules. Tapos patay na si Thor. Ay,
Lalabas si
Hercules.
Harry Styles, yung mga ganun.
Harry Styles.
Wala.
Ang lala.
Eternal, ganun, no? How are they gonna fit all these missing loopholes? Not unless they are gonna show it by Secret Wars. Baka dun pa nila. They still have time. Maybe we're looking at in a wrong way. Baka from today to Secret Wars.
I doubt.
Para i-fit nila lahat ng mga
Mm.
plot holes na yun. Maybe. Yan. So, yeah. Excited for Thor.
Yun lang. Excited for
In
Thor.
conclusion, excited for Thor. I mean, I'm still, Thor is like my first favorite character talaga eh.
Oh, really?
Oo, Team Thor talaga ako eh. Pero
I see.
eventually, nag-turn ako into Iron Man. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed our reaction for Thor's Doomsday trailer. If you guys did, please to show some love by subscribing, smashing that like button, hitting the notification bell to not miss any future contents from yours truly. Comment down below, who do you think Marvel will release next as part of their teaser trailer? Would it be Hawkeye? Would it be Hulk? Black Widow? Or would it be Iron Man? I don't know. Doing all this would definitely help us out on our YouTube partner program journey. As you can see, 90% of our audience are not yet subscribed. 600 out of 3,000 watch hours, still a long way to go. So it'd be a huge favor if y'all could help us out for us to be able to continue our passion on creating quality entertainment content for y'all. We'll be covering all the latest updates, character reveals, gameplay breakdowns, movie and trailer reviews, mainly Marvel stuff, so stick around for more. Also, do follow me on my Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Letterboxd accounts at YKSD Goblins. It's your favorite Marvel trio here, YKSD Goblins, Ranny, and we are the Marvel Slumber Squadigers. Stay epic, stay legendary, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Happy Zamawa!